Okay, so it's the day after Three Kings Day. I am here with Javi. And as you can see, it's snowing outside. We'll see in a second, but I want to see a surprise when we open the garage door. Javi, you ready to see the snow? No, you can't play that one. Look! Wow, what is that? It's snow. Wow! You want to put your gloves on? You want to sit? Okay. Let me put your gloves on here. See? Let's go. Come on. Let's go have some fun. Whoa! Wee! Ew, it's snow. Ta-da! Want to get up? Come on. Whoops. See? It's snow. Isn't that nice? Not that sucio. It's snow. You're not dirty. Come on. Wow. Wow. You want to sit down? Okay, hold on a minute. Let's try. Ready? See? We're going down. Wow! Whee! See? Wow, that was fun, right? Javi, say hi, Mommy. Say hi, Noni. Say hi, Mama. Javi, say hi, Mama. Say hi, Tio. Say hi, Titi Leanne. Say hi, Tio Yogi. Say hi, Tio Scott. Say hi, Papa. Where's Papa?
Snow.
That's the snow. Let's go. Come on. That's snow. Look, Javi. Look. You discovered snow. It tastes good. It's fresh snow. Okay. Hold this. Hold this here, okay? See if we can get you going better. Ready? No cars coming? Let's go. Hold on, hold on. Hold on. Yeah, look at him. Whee! Whee! You liked it? You want more? Okay. Oh. Woo. Go like that. There you go. Yeah. Way. Wow. Another one. Okay. Come on. Go. More. There you go. You can do it. Go. There you go. Here we go. You like that? Another one. Oh, you're tiring me out, Javi. Happy New Year, go!
Yummy.
Yummy snow? Is it yummy? Yeah, try.